Hello friends, now as you can see that we have removed the old winding, but still we have the insulation paper and these stoppers, these slits in every slot. We have to remove that. As you can see, we have already cleared some of these. Now I will show you how do we clear it. So without damaging it, we remove these slots and strips. I mean, these are the strips that we need to remove it properly so that we can reuse them. So we can reuse these strips. The insulation paper, of course, we cannot reuse. We have to put a new insulation paper, but we can definitely reuse the slots. So now we will do the cleaning of the slot using a tool. Using a tool you will which can fit into the slot, not very tightly. You will slightly hammer it on the top so that the strip is loose, and then with the help of a plier you can pull the strip. These strips we can reuse them. Now to remove the old insulation paper, we are using a scale, and then we're loosening it because it is stuck with the core because of the old varnish, and then we will just pull it out like that. So now you can see that. You see how do we clean the slots. So you have to clean the slot properly one by one. Once you remove all the papers from all the slots, then with the help of a long file you do a little bit of filing so that the remaining debris of varnish and paper it's also removed. In our next video we will show you once it is properly cleaned. Okay, thanks for watching, and in next video we will show you that how do we determine that the gauge of the cable and how much cable do we have to buy to rewind this generator. Okay, thank you for watching.